أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Can I ask a question?
Please do.
I have two questions for you, Sheikh.
Okay.
First question is, I want to know, when you listen to Quran on your computer, are you allowed to, playing games and doing something else when you're listening to the Quran, or is it haram?
Okay.
And the second question is, you know the book, it's called The Prophetic Medicine, or Medicine of the Prophet?
Okay.
You know it?
What's with that?
Is it authentic?
Okay, I'll answer your question, inshallah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. As for listening to the Quran, whether through the radio, through television, or through your MP3 or your computer, Allah says in the Quran, and whenever the Quran is recited, you must listen to it, so that Allah may have His mercy upon you. Therefore, if you are playing the Quran to listen to it, this is okay. You can listen to it while driving, you can listen to it while working in the kitchen or doing something, as long as you are able to listen to, let's say, 80% and understand and comprehend. But if you play it as a background, and as the sister's saying, we are putting it on, but we're playing board games or cards, or we're playing PlayStation, and if you ask any of those in the room, what surah is this? I don't know. Okay, what is he saying? I don't know. No, this is haram. This is part of humiliating the Quran. One may argue and say, yes, Sheikh, but we are playing the Quran for barakah. Well, again, this is not what the Quran was revealed for. It was not revealed to be played and no one listens to it. Some of the brothers and sisters may play the Quran and leave the house and keep the Quran running for a day or two. What for? This is for barakah. Well, this is not barakah. This is form of humiliating the Quran. You either listen to it or don't play it at all.